We have the integral x sine x dx, and this is a clear product in the integrand. So that indicates that this is an integration by parts question. So what we'll do first is we'll let u equal x, because we can simply differentiate u to get dx, and then we'll let dv equal sine x. We can easily integrate sine x to get v, which is negative cosine x. With integration by parts, we go across the top and then down and over like that. So what we'll do first is we'll say negative x cosine x, that's going across that way, minus the integral, and this is a negative here, so we're going to change that to a plus, cosine x dx. And now all we have to do is solve this integral. So we've got negative x cosine x, and then the integral of cosine x is simply plus sine x. Now there's no bounds here. This is an indefinite integral. And so because of that, we have to add a constant at the end. So this is the answer to the question. And if there's any other questions that you've got, or if you have any other problems in physics or calculus that you'd like me to help with, please leave it in the comments below. I hope this was helpful.